this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to wipe your Android phone without losing any data. So you can just swipe on down from the top right and go to settings. So if you have any kind of issues with your phone, you can just go and try this out. So let's go on down to the bottom to About Phone and tap this. And there should be an option for reset on the bottom. So we can scroll on down and we got reset all settings. We can try this. So we can just tap it, go into here. And then you can see all the settings that are going to be reset except for these. And then we go to reset mobile network, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, reset accessibility settings, and then we have factory data reset down here at the bottom. So we can choose the reset option, and this is going to wipe everything off of here. So if we scroll on down, we can just go to reset right here. So you have to decide which option you want to go ahead and pick. If you go to factory reset right here, everything's going to be deleted. If you go to one of these options up here, only that specific option is going to be deleted. So go ahead and decide which one you want to go and delete. Hopefully this one did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.